Austin, Texas. What's happening right now in real estate? I want to address exactly the numbers from August. That way you can get an educated decision on, is it crashing? Are we okay from a housing perspective in Austin, Texas? Is it competitive? Is it a buyer's market? Is it a seller's market? I want to address all of these by looking at the numbers from the month of August. That way we can make our educated decision on, is it good or is it not good? So let's jump into it. Hey, and if you're new here, my name is Jordan Aubrey. This is the Real Estate Investing Done Right YouTube channel, where we talk about all things real estate investing, personal credit, personal finance, all that good stuff that can help you make money. So let's take a look at the numbers.
Hey, so let's jump right into the Austin numbers. Obviously, we're taking a look at it. This is all the numbers from August. So I got closed sales year to year, year over year, dollar volume year over year, average price year over year, median price year over year. Then obviously we break it down on the property type, which is residential, single family, townhouse, condominium, condos, right? So that's what we got. Let's take a look at the numbers. My goodness. Look at residential, just period, like, right? We got residential, then it breaks it down in a single family, townhouse, condominium. Just look at residential, the top line. Right now, there's a shortage of inventory, guys. And I'm just letting you know, and it's driving everything crazy. Look, from year over year, from August of last year to this year, we're up 12%. 12%, which is a crazy number right now. Dollar volume obviously goes up. Average price obviously goes up 20%. 20%. Prices rise 20%. That means if you bought the house last year, you have for full price, you have 20% of equity in your home right now. That is absolutely nuts, guys. Unheard of. I made a video about the market across the United States, and it's on fire right now, and Austin seems to be one of the top ones. Let's look at median price, $355, up 11% year over year, which is crazy. Year to date, we got 25,000 closed, right at the same point, right? But COVID had that dip off, so obviously it kind of weighed on the numbers for year over year. Once COVID hit and locked down everything kind of shut down. Then obviously total dollar volume up 8.4%. Same thing over here as far as average price, up 7.4, median price 6.6. Man, this market is resilient. Single families up 13%. Average price 21%. This is crazy, man. I really can't believe my eyes when I'm looking at this right now. Median price 11%. Now let's look at get the condos. These are kind of interesting as far as the price for sure. They're up obviously with low inventory of single family homes, townhouses. More people are buying townhouses than ever before, it seems like. But essentially they're up. Townhomes are typically one of the lower units sold in Austin, obviously, as you can tell right here. But they're up 81% as far as year over year in Austin. That's crazy. People are buying them with short inventory. The only staggering number that I'm looking at is that the actual year over year price average is down from August of this year to last year. So that's kind of interesting. Same thing as far as median price, down 2%. So those are numbers to take a look at, which is very, very interesting with the amount of units that's being sold. You figured that a lot of properties would be getting full price, but that's just not the case for the month of August. Now let's look at condominiums. Up 4.2%, dollar volume up 11%, price went up, which is a great thing for everybody buying the property. Median price up 7.7%, which is great. Year to date down 5.7. I guess they're making a rebound. Obviously last month was a little bit different, but they're making a rebound in it. Dollar volume 2%, average price 8.1%, median price 10.7%. So this is very, very good as far as the numbers. It's really showing resiliency in the Austin real estate market. And I hope you guys are excited as I am to answer the questions. Market is not, Austin, as of right now, nowhere near a crash, right? Nowhere near it. It's probably like I said earlier, it's probably one of the strongest markets out there as far as what it's producing on a month-to-month basis. What I've seen is just kind of average throughout is August was a fire month for real estate investors. I mean, not real estate investors, real estate period, right? It was just a heck of a month. I think right now is the time to invest. If you're thinking about it, you can ride some of this wave. I don't anticipate much of a drop. If there is a drop, and if there is, it's probably looking at 6 to 9, maybe 12 months on down the road once these foreclosures start coming up. But there's so much competition out there. I don't think that's really going to have a big effect. I think that's going to drive the rental properties up, to be honest with you. But with that being said, man, own some property in real estate. If you buy today, I'm pretty sure you'll be happy in the next 5 to 10 years with where this market is headed. I think it's just the only thing that makes sense with Austin, Texas right now. Tesla moved in. Obviously, that was a great thing back in July, August, around that time. I think right now, Austin is feeling the benefits of that. So with that being said, hey, remember, keep winning. If you got any comments, drop them below. Hey, keep winning.